Good afternoon, Rutgers, and happy Super Bowl Sunday. I'm Shawnee Kazan. I'm going to give you some weather updates. I know you're probably more concerned about the big game, but we do have some wintry weather to play. More about that in a second, though. Here's our current readings from our Rutgers garden stations. We have right now 37 degrees, so it's kind of mild out there compared to last night's temperatures if you went outside. Mostly cloudy skies. Clouds are starting to get a little bit thicker as we head on into the evening, and winds are calm, around less than 5 miles per hour, but they will be picking up as we have this wintry weather system that's going to head our way, and this is going to start to come in around tonight, and then it's going to stay on throughout the night into tomorrow. Problem with this is going to cause some messy morning conditions, but we do have some good hope for the rest of the week. It will start to clear out and start to look a little bit nicer midweek. As you can see, these are our current temperatures in the state of New Jersey. Most part, we can see it's the mid to upper 30s, except Sussex. Sussex is around 25. It's our cool spot for the state. This is our satellite and radar. Again, nothing too much with New Jersey. Maybe the southern part of the state is starting to see some precip, but for the most part, we just see those clouds starting to roll in over the state. As I pan out, though, we can see we have this nice big system that is really headed our way. And really, you can see Chicago is under a blizzard warning, and that's where we could see some heavy of the snow bands going through that region. So as we take a look out and pan out to the rest of the country, what do we notice about this thing? We could see from the Mississippi, pretty much all the way eastward, is being affected by this huge synoptic scale cyclone. So we want to keep everyone posted on that. Although more south is going to be affected more rain-wise, we still can see our area is in a critical area because we could see a lot of mixing going on, and that could be a little dangerous at times. To the west, nothing much going on. Glendale, Arizona is looking beautiful and dry. I think they had highs in the upper 60s, lower 70s today, which should be very good for the big game. We do have some rain up in Portland too, but nothing much for that. Nothing much in the country for that much. Let's see our futurecast here. We can see around 6:30 p.m. tonight, snow is starting to penetrate into the state. We could see New Brunswick might start to see its first snow showers. Again, panning out to 10 p.m. as the game is starting to come to a finish. The northern areas of the state, if you have to get home, I would suggest maybe leaving a little bit early, just so you don't get stuck in any wintry weather. Around 4 a.m. Monday morning, this is where we're going to see the brunt of the storm. You can see the heaviest precip along the coast, especially in Monmouth, Middlesex, and Ocean counties. There's going to be rain as we see it. We can see this is the rain snow line, the pink. We could have a mix up here, very small rain snow line, and then snow to our north. However, this is going to be critical because temperatures are not that far from zero. We have freezing ground conditions, and then we're going to start to drop and plummet. For Tuesday, we're going to have those northerly, westerly winds starting to bring in some cooler air. So this could be cause for a lot of freezing conditions come tomorrow, midday or so. So here's your watches and warnings. I think so far in effect, 20 out of 21 counties are under a watch or a warning. We got our northern counties in New Jersey under a winter weather warning and our southern counties under a winter weather watch. And these are in effect from, I think, 7 p.m. tonight into 1 p.m. tomorrow. So you want to just really take these into consideration, take these warnings seriously because it can be detrimental and dangerous out there. Tonight, overnight low is around 30 degrees. Those winds are going to be pumping in from the south. They're going to help support that temperature to not drop further and actually stay warmer, which may cause for some melting of the snow to go back to rain. And then when we have those other winds start to shift in the AM, as we could see in this one, they'll be from the northeast going more to the northwesterly flow. They'll bring down that cooler air, and we should get below zero, which is going to allow for more freezing. High at 36 tomorrow morning, but the high is projected to be around at 7 a.m. in the morning. After that, it's going to start to plummet. And as we can see here in our 7-day forecast for Groundhog Day, we could really see our high temperature is only 25 degrees. But as we move on into the week, it is going to come up again on Wednesday. We're going to see some more clouds with that as well, high of 39. Thursday and Friday, though, we have a chiller coming our way. High of 28 on Thursday and a high of 23 on Friday. Friday morning, we could be seeing a low at 5 degrees. So really bundle up if you have plans this week to be outdoors because it's going to be quite chilly. We should warm up for the weekend. However, Sunday looks like we might start to see another system head our way. Well, more about that, though, in the future. If you missed us, You can always check us out on RUTV, channel 23.1, every 15 minutes. You can like us on Facebook, follow us on Twitter, or you can find us online at weatherwatcher.rutgers.edu. I'm Shawnee Caslin, and have a superb Super Bowl Sunday, guys.